Welcome to this edition of the Case Study Series by Skilled MBA. Today we explore the inspiring journey of Two Brothers Organic Farms, or TBOF, a mission-driven business founded by two ex-bankers who turned to farming with a vision for environmental and social impact. This case is not just about organic products. It's about aligning profit with purpose, navigating scale, and building a deeply connected brand through shared value creation. Ajinkya and Satyajit Hange left lucrative careers in banking to start TBOF in 2014. From a modest beginning in Pune, the brothers have built an organic farm that now exports to 52 countries. Their complementary leadership, with Ajinkya focusing on operations and Satyajit on branding, has enabled them to reimagine farming as a purpose-led, customer-centric enterprise. TBOF faced a range of challenges familiar to mission-led startups: low consumer awareness about organic benefits, price sensitivity in a value-driven market, the niche nature of organic limiting initial scale, high trust-building demands requiring transparency. Overcoming these obstacles required innovation, persistence, and clarity of purpose. TBOF succeeded by strategically aligning its values with proven business frameworks, shared value concept, integrating profit with social and environmental impact. 4 P's of marketing: emphasizing quality product, direct distribution, and emotional promotion. Blue ocean strategy: creating new demand through desi cow farming and indigenous seeds. Value chain integration: controlling sourcing, processing, and delivery to ensure authenticity. These choices positioned TBOF as a category-defining brand. TBOF embraced regenerative agriculture with practices like desi cow, rearing for closed-loop systems, indigenous seeds to preserve biodiversity, multi-cropping for soil enrichment and resilience, regenerative methods to restore soil and water cycles. Their model not only produces food, it revives ecosystems and ensures sustainability for future generations. TBOF's marketing is rooted in authentic storytelling. Farm diaries, daily updates connect consumers to the land processing transparency. Every product has a story. Community features, highlighting farmer training and outreach, environmental education, turning customers into conscious advocates. This strategy transformed buyers into believers and brand ambassadors. With limited ad spend, TBOF grew organically via Instagram, visual storytelling and customer intimacy; Facebook, long-form educational content and live engagement; YouTube, documenting farming, product use, and behind-the-scenes operations. This content-first approach helped scale without dilution. The direct-to-consumer, D2C model gave TBOF higher margins, complete brand control, customer relationships, but also came with higher customer acquisition cost, logistics complexity, limited physical presence. Scaling the D2C model while preserving personal connection remains a key tension. TBOF delivers shared value at every stage: environmental regeneration, community empowerment, consumer health, economic viability. They show how businesses can do well by doing good, aligning every stakeholder's win with the company's success. As demand grows, TBOF must scale without losing soul. Priorities include preserving product quality and brand values, training more organic farmers, building scalable operations, expanding mindfully into new markets. Growth must enhance, not compromise, the mission. TBOF's expansion strategy includes deeper reach in Tier 1-3 cities, strengthening global presence, diversifying product lines, partnering with like-minded brands. Each move builds both commercial capacity and community impact. TBOF leverages digital education to shape smarter demand: virtual workshops, product traceability platforms, interactive and value-driven content. Educated consumers don't just buy, they advocate and adapt, improving efficiency and reducing waste. Should TBOF embrace retail? D2C offers 30% higher margins. Retail could expand reach 5x. D2C retains 85% brand control, A hybrid model may offer the best path forward, scaling reach without compromising identity. Strengths: trust, brand authenticity, export capability. Weaknesses: supply consistency, digital reliance. Opportunities: rising health awareness, product innovation. Threats: greenwashing, climate risk, regulation. The challenge is to leverage strengths while anticipating volatility. TBOF proves that shared value is not just idealistic, it's viable. Storytelling can replace traditional advertising. Sustainability can scale with strategy and soul. This case offers a blueprint for conscious commerce, one that inspires, informs, and transforms. Thank you for exploring the Two Brothers Organic Farms case with us, presented by the Case Study Series by Skilled MBA. This case illustrates the power of purpose-driven entrepreneurship in reshaping how we grow, market, and consume food. It challenges conventional business norms by showing that it is possible to build a brand on trust, community, and regeneration, without compromising on growth or global reach. We hope this inspires your own thinking on shared value creation, sustainable marketing, and authentic leadership in today's complex business world.